All right, Bicep Day here at Joe's Gym, joined by Ashton here. We are now at the seated machine preacher curl. A lot of gyms have these. A lot of gyms have the free weight style where, again, you're actually using the actual free barbell. This is the machine preacher curl. The thing that I really like about the machine preacher curl is especially for helping assist and drop sets, because you can just drop the pin, do a drop set versus the actual seated preacher curl bar. You have to get up, take the pins off, take the weight off. It takes longer to do drop sets. So I would say if you're by yourself, if you're really incorporating drop sets, use the seated machine preacher curl. But again, right now we've got the seat up high. Go ahead and sit down, put your arms over. I always want the triceps flat. As you can see, the seat's too high. So again, you always got to set up your lift properly to make sure everything is ergonomically correct. Go ahead and lower it. You really want your triceps flat on the pad, braced right underneath your armpit. So now, preacher curl. Preacher curl means palms 45 degrees out roughly. Now, when our palms are up, we are primarily working our bicep. When our palms are all the way in, we're primarily working our brachialis, bicep, two heads to one muscle. So palms up, just by twisting, we can see there is flexing happening, right? The purpose of a bicep is actually supinate and pronate the actual wrist, right? So just by turning, you're having it being flexed. So again, the palm angle affects what angle the bicep is going to be worked. So the preacher curl, 45 degrees up, is working bicep and brachialis simultaneously. One's not better, it's just different. So you can see hard contraction at the top, slow negative coming back down. But what this allows me to do is I can self-assist. I can do force reps. He's struggling, I can push it up, let go on the negative. Keep going, keep going. And you can see very, very slow, hard contraction, slow negative, positive, negative. Do a static hold, back down slow. Static holds are great to do if maybe you pick too light a weight and you want to burn the muscle out. That's a good way to take it through the range of motion to get that fatigue and exhaustion much faster. So let's say he has hit failure and he can't bring it back up. I'm going to force it up, but it doesn't mean he can't lower it. I'm going to force it up, doesn't mean he can't still lower it. I'm going to force it back up, go from there. Also, drop set. I can take a pin, go from there, tell him to hit it. So again, much faster if you're maybe by yourself or just looking for a quick workout. Drop sets are much easier with pin or plate loaded type of devices. That's good. Perfect. But again, there's two variations. You have your seated machine, and then you also have your free weight, freestanding bar. These are great to incorporate. They're very, very easy to do forced reps if you have a very good gym partner with you. Also great to do drop sets because it's just very, very quick. You can just stand up, do it, especially if you're by yourself, but incorporate these in for sure.